Hello, good morning, and welcome to this series of functions in Excel. The rationale behind this is to ease access to functions in Excel and prevent people from having to watch a long series of video before eventually finding a particular function which they want. Most of the videos here will last maximum of 5 minutes with enough detail that can help you use just any Excel function you want to use. So this is an Excel file with a table of Mary's school supply expenses from 2015 to 2022. Yes, which we have created, and we are going to be working with this throughout our exercises. We are going to be working with this throughout our exercises in Excel. The very first Excel function we will see is the sum function. Is a sum function which we will use to calculate the total expenses for each year and the overall expenses from 2015 to 2022. So we start by inputting equal to sum function equal to sum. If you were using a word in French, it will be SO. In English is SU, sum, and then we highlight everything. Remember, we also spoke about the auto sum function, and we close our bracket, and enter, and that gives us exactly how much Mary spent for her school expenses in 2015. We can do same for 2016. Equal to sum enter, or we can drag. All right. As using the AutoSum function, we can equally just simply drag this across, and here we have our expenses for each year on school supply. Now for overall expenses from 2015 to 2022, it will simply be the sum of the total expenses for each year. So we have sum still sum of this plus this plus this, and we sum everything across, and we see that from 2015 to 2022 Mary spent a sum of $490.46 on her on purchasing her school supply. Thank you.